Welcome back to Food Busker. This week I'm trying a brand new format. So this, brothers and sisters, is Food Busker's chef tips. These are super short videos that get straight to the point, that show you the hacks, the shortcuts, the chef tip. Class is in session, people. Boom. So good. And today is the foolproof way to make a soft boiled egg every time. Right, I've boiled a kettle, let's get it into our pan. I'll pour that kettle in there and then I'm just going to turn it up so it gets to a really good rolling boil. Don't use a small pan. Use a good sized pan with a lot of water to make sure that it can fully submerge your eggs in there. A really amazing piece of technology that you're going to use today is a pin. What this does is it does something pretty special. Take your egg, something like that, and you're going to take your egg and you're basically going to pop a hole in the very bottom. Now the reason we put a hole in the bottom of the egg is because there's air inside the egg that starts to escape the moment you put it in the boiling water. The problem is egg whites start forming and cooking and becoming solid, and so that always leaves a dimple at the bottom of the egg. But if you put a hole in the bottom, you create a quick escape route for that air, and then you have the perfectly formed soft boiled egg. So now it's time to introduce it into our water. Next thing you got to do is you got to set your timer. And a big thank you to the lads from the Iceland Test Kitchen that gave me 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, so that's 6 minutes and 10 seconds, and then I'm going to just take the eggs out and put them directly into some cold water, and then I'm going to go and run them under the tap now, cold water, for about a minute. Okay, so that's the egg that's been running in the cold water for about a minute just to cool it down. Now what we need to do is that we need to dent the shell, so you can do it by just tapping it down like that. And what's happened is, with the hole that was put in, then there's some theory that a little bit of hot water gets in there and loosens the shell away from the egg, and so the added benefit of doing it this way is that it's really easy to peel and you don't lose lots of egg in the process. Now time to slice it. And so that's how you get perfectly soft, hard-boiled eggs every time. You know, look at it, great shape. The yolk is still gooey, which is what you want. You don't want it too yolky, so it just pours out. You don't want it too hard, because then it's horrible. Genius, especially if you're doing an egg for a ramen. It will just look the part. So, first chef tips video, done. What did you think of it? Let me know in the comment box below. And if you want to see more videos of this format, then tell me what it is you want me to show you. I've learned so many things down the years in professional kitchens, and I know the lads who are bringing through the new techniques, and I can share that with you in these really succinct, quick videos. Share and like the video if you liked it. Give us a subscribe if you're liking what we're doing. Increase the peace, spread the love. Thanks guys, see you next time. I don't know where I'm going because I can't get out this way. I have to go that way and I'm the only one in here.